that wasn't quite as big. I wasn't quite as excited. There we go. Do you want some food?
Oops.
Is this good? Is this good? Hi, Neville. Is this good? Do you want some? You want some?
So you're teasing her.
I'm teasing her.
Is she
I gotta
teasing
get her
you?
mouth open. I've got to get her mouth open. Do you like this? Ready? Here it goes. Here it goes.
That's the view for the day. Say goodbye, Violet.
Do you want Mom and Dad too?